I was born on the first colony of England. We became a laboratory for the colonial project, as Cathy Scott precisely puts
Our
it.
bodies starved, and our ancestral tongues pressed, bitten, and in some cases removed.
Customs and ways of life were prohibited. Our traditions, our wisdom, our psychedelic
Our
language.
roots and the circulatory systems between us and our land got dismantled.
In the process, we were forced to inhabit a foreign operating system.
That created a glitch in the matrix.
We had to download a whole new way of being in order to survive.
The Irish psyche and soma is marked by the legacy of colonisation.
And so am I.
He still called me Irish. Year 3 into the relationship.
Said with his Scottish dad, Welsh mum and me, he conquered the whole of the British Isles.
I know.
Paddy whackery is still rife. Conversations on healing haven't started. We're still raw in conflict and coping. Young men and women numbing injustice with prayer, war, drugs, drink.
Baby-making activities and the like.
In the north, unparented young boys
still call me Irish for year 3 into the
no
relationship.
matter where we look, no matter where we look,
our country's sexually violent history.
many are still being hoodwinked and force-fed. Many are still Irish culture.
But irrefutable evidence of the abuses committed by the Catholic Church include profits made from human trafficking, forced unpaid labour, illegal adoptions, illegal vaccine trials. That must make us
Crimes of
question
violence,
this legacy.
sexual abuse, and murder
Not to
of women
mention
and children.
Stipends from the state for every
Stipends from the
offender.
state for every offender.
Mother.
And illegitimate
Child.
in their care. Murder. Murder. Murder.
Contraception came as such a relief.
It makes sense, doesn't it? As a culture, to take responsibility for unintended pregnancies as best we can. But when I researched the lengths of where and how contraceptive research was funded and by who, I wasn't ready for what I found. But when I researched the lengths of where and how contraceptive research was funded and by who, I wasn't ready for what I found.